Morning everyone, and for today's first impression we are going to do the Amore collection, which is like our Valentine Day collection. Look at the bag, it goes perfectly well with my shirt for today and it has a different texture when compared to the bags. I know many of you might have got either with the Winter Wonderland collection or when you have bought during the I think Thanksgiving Day sale, if I remember. So I have included bags for everyone, but this has a beautiful texture. It is not a glitter bag and it has a beautiful shade too. So let's go ahead and see the collection. Came with two lip sense colors and one gloss. So the collection had two matte lip colors and one gold glitter gloss and a free oops remover when you buy as a collection. So here we have Amore and Bellissima, and these two are the lip sense colors, and here we have the gloss. And when you buy the as a collection, you get a free full size oops remover, whereas these two are these three are like smaller size tubes. Our regular size tubes are 0.25 ounce, whereas these three are 0.20 ounce. So it's a very good choice even if for a first time buyer. Way you can explore every possibility. You can do layering combos, you can do pre-mixing combos, so everything you will be able to do with this. So this is the first impression I'm going to do. Let's start with Bellissima as my first color. So this is what Bellissima, a beautiful mauve pink shade with the matte finish. So let's go ahead and do 3 layers. Make sure you wipe your lips clean before you do, and always make sure to shake your tube well before you are applying. That way the pigment gets mixed really well. So this is Bellissima on me. If you have seen blush, let me show you. This is blush, which is a sold out shade. It is really close to blush actually. There is a very slight difference. I don't think it will be shown when you see the tube. When you apply, blush goes even lighter, but this is such a pretty shade for a matte color to be. If you are someone who likes not very bold shades and everyday shades, Bellissima will be really perfect for you. As you can see, I like it when I have a bolder eye look. I like to have my lips look to be little subtle. Same way, if you have jewelries that is bold, or if your dress is bold, then these kind of shades will go really well, and this will be perfect for a everyday shade. It's such a pretty pink. I thought it will not show up on my skin tone, to be frank, but I really like the way it looks. So let me go ahead and take out this and show Amore, which I was really excited about. But before that, let's top it with the Tesoro gloss too. So since the color is matte by itself, this is a rose gold glitter gloss. We previously had a rose gold gloss too, but that's a sold out color again. So this way you get two looks. You can do one with either matte gloss or a glossy gloss, how I did, so that you don't have any glitter to it. By adding Tesoro, you are going to have like a evening look. So this adds more of a rose gold tint to it. I am a rose gold person any day. We do have gold glitter gloss, we have silver glitter gloss. So here we have the rose gold glitter gloss. So let me take it out and let's go with Amore and see how it looks on me. So now we are going with the Amore, which is like a pink berry shade. We even have a pink berry Shadow Sense color if you are looking to. That came with Rust. Actually, I have used it many times. So this is the shade I'm going to use. I will always top it with glossy first and then do the Tesoro. But Tesoro, you should see it in person. I seriously believe I cannot do justice for this gloss in a video. I don't know whether you will be able to see it, but it has like tons of glitters to it, but it's so pretty in person actually. When you top it with it for an evening look, you will be the center of attraction. That's how pretty the shade is actually. So this is Amore on me. It's such a pretty shade, seriously. Like, I mean, if you are a matte lip lover, or if you need a staple color in your wardrobe, then do make sure you pick this shade. It applies like really smooth. It is like a dream, seriously. Like any day you can pick any dress color and this will go perfectly well. And I really like it. Like, I mean, both are like smaller tubes, as I mentioned. So usually the Lipson's tubes are how much? Like $25, but these two are for $19. Same way, the gloss used to be for $20, but this one is for $15. So for $53, you get two colors and one gloss and a full size free oops remover. So which is like a really good deal, because if it is a full size, we just have one color, one gloss and one oops remover for $55. That is our starter kit anytime. But here you have more value to it. Boysenberry, Kiss My Sass are always my favorites, because they are like in between pinks and purples. Like if you have seen Kiss Farrakos or Purple Rain or Plumeria, they are like very bright pinks and purples, whereas these are like everyday colors. I would say I can really work on this any day. Like I would love to wear these kind of shades for my everyday look too. So here is Tessera glass, which I'm going to top it with. And so do you see the difference? It adds that glitteriness to a matte shade. That's the advantage of pigmented glasses. By adding a pigmented glass, the same color will look a little different. So I am more of a glossy person first, then I will top it with any other gloss. That's how I will do even for a matte gloss. I always make sure to top it with glossy to settle in for a few seconds. That way I get the moisture from the glossy gloss, and then I'll top it with any other gloss. And my first looks are always most of the time with glossy, because that's when you can actually see the color. The same color with matte will look little lighter than with glossy, because glossy will enhance the color. So I prefer to wear glossy whenever I do my first impressions. So that's it for the first impression. So here is the Amore collection with this beautiful bag when you buy as a collection, and it comes with two Lipson's colors, Amore and Bellissima, and it comes with Tessore glass, and it comes with a free oops remover, but you can always pick them individually. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon.